2014 में मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि अभी थोड़ी बड़ी हो गई हूँ, आई थिंक इट्स टाइम फॉर बॉलीवुड. I needed people to look at me because it is finally a relaunch. The script of Bezuban Ishq is actually a very intense love story. Bezuban Ishq was at that perfect time जहाँ पे मैंने डिसाइड किया था मैं बॉलीवुड वापस आऊँगी. इतना टाइम से मैं साउथ में फिल्म्स कर रही थी एंड 2014 में मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि अभी थोड़ी बड़ी हो गई हूँ, आई थिंक इट्स टाइम फॉर बॉलीवुड. एंड दैट डेस्टिनी वेयर आप यूनिवर्स को कुछ बोलते हो और सामने आ जाता है, दैट इज़ बेजुबान इश्क फॉर मी. मैंने बस आई सेड इट अ वीक बिफोर कि बस अभी बॉलीवुड में आना है एंड आई गॉट बेजुबान इश्क ऑफर. सो इट्स अ स्पेशल फिल्म in that way if you see it. I'm in love with love stories. I love watching love stories. But at the same time, I contrast to that and I love dark and, those films with messages and, those slightly films like Crash and Little Gangster. So I have these two variations about what kind of films I like. The script of Bezuban Ishq is actually a very intense love story. It is not a very college love story where everything is happy and easy, and it is a little bit of the darker shades of when you're in love. So I kind of found that very interesting. मेरा कैरेक्टर का नाम बेजुबान इश्क में रुमझुम है और मैं जो आइडेंटिफाई बिल्कुल नहीं करती एंड दैट इज़ बेजुबान इश्क. शी इज़ इन लव और वो कुछ बोलती नहीं है एंड मैं वैसी नहीं हूँ. Whenever I have had something to say, I believe in the freedom of speech. So that is something that me and her are very, like, we're poles apart. But she is a very cultured person, which I am in person. I am a very spiritual person. I'm a very cultured person. I maintain my relationships. I know how to treat my elders. I know how to treat my younger. So I am brought up in a very correct manner. So and that is Rumjum for you. So I identify in that way. A very non-accepting thing about Rumjum is she's wearing black lenses and Sneha Ulal has green eyes. So that was something that I could not see myself in. Although in the south I have worn black lenses, but then I've also had that outfit, those half saris and saris, so it kind of matched. But here I'm in western clothes and which I am always in, and I'm seeing myself in black lenses. So I just hope that audience accepts me because 99% of my fans love my eyes, right? So, and this is not that. So I just hope they accept me and understand it's a role. My first day on Bezuban Ishq it was really difficult because we were in Rajasthan and it was 45 degrees over there and we were on the desert and we were shooting a song. So I had to look amazing. I felt horrible because it was so hot and I remember the sweat and the hair sticking and the sand blowing, and because I was wearing lenses, the sand used to hit my eyes and my lens used to shift. So it was actually a very bad first day. But then I got used to the lenses. I'm not used to it, so anybody gets used to lenses. So then it became easy. But the first day was, yes, it was a little difficult to adjust to Rumjung. After seeing the first copy of Bezuban Ishq, I was very happy with the way I have performed because I see that maturity from Lucky to now, and I know people are going to recognize that too. Of course, there's always scope for improvement and it's going to happen with more and more films, but I'm very proud to present myself like this to the audience after 10 years, and I'm quite positive that they're going to accept Rumjum. Everybody who's been a part of this film, they are very down to earth people. My director is one of those guys जो भगवान and destiny और अच्छी चीज़ें करो, अच्छी चीज़ें होती है आपके साथ. He believes in that kind of ideologies. So it's always good to be down to earth. It's always nice to be in touch with reality, and it's very easy to lose that when you're an actor, and that is something that Bezuban Ishq has taught me.